So hello guys, good afternoon. So for today's video, we're going to have a mukbang cake. We're going to taste the chocolate fudge cake that we bought in Lulu Mall. So, ito siya guys. Oh, nag-shake na po ng camera. Yeah. There. So I'm waiting for my daughter Saksha to come over here because we're going to taste the chocolate fudge cake. Saksha, faster ate! I am waiting. Okay, there she go. What happened to your hair? What is your dress?
This is my
Nastia dress. Okay, show your dress. Nastia dress.
Mommy.
It's her favorite vlogger, Nastia. Because this is a new dress, there's still a tag in it. Wait, later na I-cut. Put the hair back. We're going to slice the cake now.
I want to get this one.
After na. Sit down na.
This one's peachy. Peachy. Come on.
Are you ready? Also, Mitran is here also. Are you ready to eat the chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Say it to the audience.
Hello. This is my Jasha. This is my hairband. Papa plays at the hairband. And this is because of me. I done this at 4 years old.
Okay, so what are we going to do today? We're going to eat
cake. But we will birthday now.
No, there's no celebration today. There's no birthday today.
Wow, we go.
Actually, this is husband's craving. He told, I want to eat a cake, so let's go to Lulu. But after buying this cake, this chocolate fudge, he said, I'm not in the mood to eat the cake now. Okay, let's go in to call him. Babe! Babe! Come na! I'm going to slice the cake. Boy, wear a dress. The camera is on. You should wear a t-shirt. Wait, Saksha, we need to wait, Papa. Saksha. It's fun. So, this is so yum. Oh. You want cake also? Saksha. We're going to close it.
Yuku. Green?
Green color.
Green.
So we're going to eat the cake together since husband is here. He's in the mood na. So this is the chocolate fudge cake. We'll do slicing now. Okay.
What?
Turn up. We're going to taste the cake together.
But Mitran is not coming now in the fridge.
Yummy. How is the cake then? Yum?
Very yummy.
Mitran, how's the cake, Mitran? Nom 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 nom. How's the cake, ate? You want more?
How about this?
Oh, Bibo.
It's good now.
So that's it. Eat the cake. So good.
Good.
Cheers. Give me your cake.
Yeah.
Ah. Mga on. Okay, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Hey, this is from
Aksha, bye-bye na to the audience. Bye.
Bye-bye.